Welcome to our first video, where we present our latest real-time automotive configurator, streamed directly through the browser. This video begins by showcasing the exterior and interior options, designed for full customization and a smooth experience. Users can choose from metallic, solid, and pearl paints, or use the color picker to create any shade they want. Wheels come in 6 styles and 6 finishes including white, silver, gold, black, anthracite, and bronze. Brake calipers can match the body color, and tires are available as Toyo Proxy's 19-inch or Michelin Pierce for 20-inch models. Now it's time for the body kit. The wide body comes standard with the car, but you can customize components such as the front lip, fender louvers, side skirts, side blades, mirror caps, diffuser, spoiler, and spoiler plates. Each part can be finished in exposed gloss or forged carbon fiber, or any exterior color. The spoiler is optional, so for those who prefer a more subtle look, it can be removed entirely. The exhaust comes in 2 styles, a single pipe inspired by the McLaren P1 or a dual setup with materials like titanium or Inconel. Inside, choose between leather or Alcantara, each in 6 color combinations that blend sportiness with luxury. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video, where we'll showcase live interactions with the car.